Hey folks, temperatures tonight in the valley holding steady in the low 70s right now. 71 in Edinburgh, same thing in Port Isabel. These are readings all across the valley. Dew points are up a little bit, just slowly but surely working their way up through the 60s, 64, 65, 66, 67. We'll put about 66 on the muggy meter, so you see where we are up here, right in the middle of that muggy range, and still working our way upward from there over the next couple of days. It'll certainly get more humid. That will lead to late night and early morning low clouds and fog. Now, tomorrow, I don't think we'll have that problem. We'll start with maybe some clouds early, but then sun will come out. Temperatures back to about 78 at the beach, 84 Brownsville, then 86 to 92 across the rest of the valley. And tomorrow, it's going to be a lot like most of the next several days. We'll be between 85 and 92 each day. No big changes at all. The average is 82, and we're going to stay well above that through the next 7 days and probably well beyond that as well. Now, here's satellite and radar tonight. It has been very quiet over our part of the state, so let's push it out. Saw some pretty strong thunderstorms go through not far from Abilene earlier tonight, but boy, aside from that, it's been a pretty quiet day across the Lone Star State, and I think tomorrow's a pretty quiet day as well. It's not until late Thursday and Friday when things begin to change, courtesy of this front. There's going to be a dry line out ahead of it. The dry line will really be the instigator for strong thunderstorms well north of the valley. But as that whole system moves eastward, we'll see rain break out from, gosh, all the way up in Kansas down through Oklahoma into East Texas, and some of the models are now starting to show signs of a couple of showers sneaking through the valley late in the day on Friday. Now, most, if not all, the action will be well to the north, and some of the stuff up north of us will probably be severe. Could be a rough day on Friday in parts of the country, but ultimately, even if we get a shower or not, that front washes out and we just stay hot over the weekend. Next front kind of bypasses a Sunday into Monday. It comes through with no fanfare, then another one forms. Ahead of that, another dry line. Thunderstorms could fire up on that. Slight chance for a shower in the middle of next week, but right now we're staying pretty quiet. So we're dry, mainly dry, and then dry after that. Not much chance of rain. So for tonight, partly cloudy and mild, low of 68 degrees, southeasterly winds. Tomorrow back up to 87 again, partly sunny skies, breezy, warm, and a little bit more humid tomorrow. Next 7 days show temperatures staying in the mid 80s for highs. Then the weekend, because that front kind of side swipes us and does no good to cool us off, instead we warm up. 92 Saturday at 89 on Sunday, and then 90 for Monday and Tuesday. Nighttime lows right around 70 or so, give or take a couple of degrees all the way through the forecast period. Again, right now we're looking at a very slight chance of a shower thunderstorm on Friday. So looking at about a 5% probability. We'll keep watching to see if that number is going to go up or fade completely out of the forecast. And that is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.